Chatwari, exhale. Pañca, inhale, Salabhasana, 5 breaths, drishti nose. Shat, change hands. Exhale. Sapta, inhale. Ashtanga, exhale. Chatwari, exhale. Bhekasana. Pañca, inhale, take position. Drishti nose, hold for 5 breaths. Exhale. Shat, inhale. Sapta, exhale. Chatwari, exhale. Dhanurasana. Pañca, inhale, lift the knees high, drishti nose, hold for 5 breaths. Exhale. Shat, inhale. Sapta, exhale. Chatwari, exhale. Dhanurasana. Pañca, inhale, take the middle position. Shat, exhale. Roll to the right side, drishti nose, hold for 5 breaths. Inhale back up to the center, sapta. Ashtanga, exhale, roll to the left side, drishti nose, hold for 5 breaths. Nava, inhale, hold the center position for 5 breaths. Exhale. Dasha, inhale. Ekadasha, exhale.